Today I'm going to teach you how to humanize AI content in Grammarly. This is particularly useful if you've used AI to draft your content but want to make it sound more natural and human before publishing or submitting it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be automatically directed to your Grammarly dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your documents and Grammarly's writing tools are housed. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in today is Docs. Click on Docs to access the area where all your saved documents are stored. This section contains everything you've written or uploaded to Grammarly, making it easy to locate and edit any piece of content you're working on. Once you're in the Docs section, browse through your files and locate the specific document where you want to humanize the AI-generated content. Click on that document to open it in the editor. This will bring up the full text along with Grammarly's suite of editing and writing assistance tools. With your document now open in the editor, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. This is where Grammarly displays all its available tools and suggestions tailored to help improve your writing. Among these tools, you'll notice an option labeled AI Detector. Go ahead and click on it to activate this feature. Once you click on AI Detector, Grammarly will begin scanning your entire document to identify sections that may have been written by AI. The tool analyzes patterns, phrasing, and sentence structures that are commonly associated with AI-generated text. After the scan is complete, Grammarly will provide you with detailed suggestions on how to rework those sections to make them sound more natural and human. You can read through each suggestion carefully and apply the changes that best suit your content and voice. It's important to note that the AI Detector is a premium feature. If you're using Grammarly's free version, you may need to upgrade to a premium plan to fully access and utilize this tool. The premium subscription unlocks advanced features like this one, giving you more control over the quality and authenticity of your writing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Grammarly's AI Detector to humanize your AI-generated content, ensuring it reads more naturally and authentically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.